Hey guys, so I decided to make a Selena Quintanilla hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoy it and learn something from it. Here we go. Okay guys, I'm about to prep the hair by curling it. Now that it's curled, we'll part it in two sections and make two ponytails. I am making two hairstyles. The first hairstyle is going to take us to that Selena bun that we are looking for. I am dividing the hair in half. You want the first ponytail to be high up. I decided to create two different hairstyles. The first one, you can really wear it anywhere. It's simple but cute. We have created this first look by just curling the hair and making a high ponytail. I'm going to do the bun by making a second ponytail. When you are making the bottom ponytail, you want to make sure you leave two strands of hair on each side. I am using hairspray and combing the hair just so I can smooth it out. Separate the first ponytail into three sections. Grab the first section, twist and tease it up, just like you're seeing it, and start rolling it. Since you curled it, you can see it's easily being rolled on its own. You should be able to see how it's taking the shape of a rose. Once you have it down, pin it. Do the same for the other two sections. I'm twisting, teasing up, and pinning. I'm using this technique just because I want the hair to be more fluffy and more volumized. The bottom ponytail is essentially the same, but this time I'm only taking it into two sections. It just depends on how thick your hair is. I am wrapping the two bottom sections around the other three on top. If you see any loose curl, don't freak out. Just grab another bobby pin and pin it. Don't be afraid to use too many bobby pins. It's never enough. I'm setting the hairdo with hairspray. What I like to do is to grab a comb, spray it, and comb any frizziness or flyaways to make the bun look cleaner, fleeky, and smoother. Those two strands that we left at the beginning, we're going to curl now. To complete the look, you want to add your favorite hoops and your favorite shade of red lipstick. And there you have it, guys. You can look like Selena in no time.
This and give you
a princess.
Alright guys, if you like this video, click like, click subscribe, and comment down below on anything that you want to see. Thank you for watching.